Hey everyone, it's Dr. Huntington, and I'm going to describe this paper assignment to you. So you're going to choose one of the four options and respond as a typed paper, which should be 1 to 3 pages, double spaced, 12-point font with default margins. Okay. So if the paper is less than 1 page, there will be a penalty of 1 letter grade. I expect the papers to have good grammar and spelling, but I will be mainly focusing on the content of the paper. So there is a writing center on campus available. It's not in the Bradley Hall room right now, or they should have some virtual options. So you can look at their site on the NCC website. Okay, this is a great opportunity for you to get free help with a writing tutor, because once you're graduated from Nassau Community College, you don't have those resources available to you anymore for free. So I really recommend that you use them while you have them available to you as a student. Okay, and you can call them or email them and find out what the system is that they're using to help students. Okay, first options. You're choosing one of these four options. First is to describe a few situations when you have applied the content of this course to your life. Then I want you to, a second option, if you haven't noticed how it's been applied to your life, second option is to describe how the content of this course can apply to your future profession. Okay, and if you don't think that this stuff is going to apply to your future profession, or it's not applying to your life right now, then the third option is to say, how can the content of this course be useful to others? Okay, if you don't like any of those three options, you are free to choose option number 4, which is if you had a magic wand and could change one experience of yours relating to mathematics, what would you change and why? So I want you to try to think below the surface of the course material for your response. Mathematics generally builds on one's critical thinking and problem-solving skills. How is this useful in life? When you learn that someone is good at mathematics, what assumptions do you make, and how can this ability be helpful to that person and others? Answering these questions may help you create the paper. So you can always turn in this paper early. I'll grade it within a couple of days if I need some time, and then I can return it to you, and if you don't like your grade, you can improve it and resubmit it, and for a better grade. So that's the incentive to doing that early. It's due, you'll find the due date on the syllabus. And I wanted to describe just some of the inspiration for this paper assignment. It's a great book called The Math Curse. And it starts out with a little boy in school who says, on Monday in math class, Mrs. Fibonacci says, you know, you can think of almost everything as a math problem. On Tuesday, I start having problems. I wake up at 7:15. It takes me 10 minutes to get dressed, 15 minutes to eat my breakfast, and 1 minute to brush my teeth. Suddenly, it's a problem. If my bus leaves at 8, will I make it there on time? How many minutes in 1 hour? How many teeth in one mouth? Okay, so it's kind of a cute thing here. And then next, I look in my closet, and the problems get worse. Right, so then they describe about, I have 1 white shirt, 3 blue shirts, 3 striped pants, and so on, and trying to think of all the combinations. So he goes on. And in a way, he's been cursed. Okay, so it's called The Math Curse. And the reason I like this book is because I feel like, as a child, that was me. I remember learning new math, and then I started seeing it everywhere. And in math class, a lot of times students will ask, well, when am I ever going to use this? And teachers or somebody could give you maybe one specific case where you might be able to use it. But there's multiple ways, and the goal is for you to figure out how you can use it, not how somebody could tell you one specific instance where you would use it. So my goal with this paper is to kind of curse you. It's not a bad curse. I would call this a good curse. So I want to actually curse you and have you start recognizing math everywhere. Okay, so enjoy writing the paper. It's meant to be a fun assignment, and you can do it. Bye.